Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox, your connection timed out, check your internet connection, try again with the error code 266, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that annoying error on Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, and then you're going to go into local, you'll find Roblox here, delete this folder, go back and go into roaming, find Roblox here as well, delete this folder as well. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. Go into this first link and just download latest stable release here. Download and install the software up. And once you've done installing it, open it up. And then you're going to open it up from here. Go into this settings icon. Make sure it is set to 1.1.1.1 with Warp. Turn it on. And then just open up your web browser, go on to roblox.com, find any game from here, and then just try playing the game and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.